how to travel with pets on Air Arabia. Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can travel with pets on Air Arabia. Now, traveling with pets on Air Arabia involves you following the Air Arabia pets policy. And to do so, open your web browser and then in the search box, type the question how to travel with pets on Air Arabia. And then you'll be brought to the page where you see Air Arabia pet policy. And to do that, we can see that Air Arabia does not allow any other live animals except falcons to fly in the cabin of their aircraft. And in order for falcons to even fly, reservations must be arranged at least 48 hours prior to your departure. So this is the policy. And so if your pet is a falcon, then you are good to go. But if not, you cannot travel with pets, with other kind of pets on Arabia. So then if your pet is a falcon, you have to make a reservation. And to make a reservation, you have to reach out to the customer support of Air Arabia. And how do you do that? Open a new tab and then the search box and just type Air Arabia customer service. And so you'll be taken to the customer service page. So you can just click on contact us, where you'll be brought to the help centers page where you'll see articles addressing similar questions that you might have. All right. But if you don't want to check out articles, you can see other means of reaching them. You can decide to send an email, you can decide to chat on WhatsApp, you can decide to call, okay, or even visit the sales services. For email, after clicking on email, when you scroll down, you'll see I have a question, complaints, claims. So for this option, you have a question, so you can just click on I have a question. Then you can now go ahead and state your question. I would like to travel with this. I have to make a reservation and all of that, and you'll be responded to. The same thing applies to chat. The same thing applies to calls. And if you visit the physical services available in your region. So this is how to go about it. This is how to travel with pets on Air Arabia. Thank you and have a good day.